In this video, we will show the best FPV goggles available to buy. At number 8. HITSAN Incorporation Skyzone 3D FPV Goggles. It is goggles replacement eye-cup faceplate for Skyzone 3D FPV Goggles. It is easy to use. At number 7. SRBI FPV Goggles with DVR Battery. It has separable design, 4.3-inch screen, can be used as small monitor on radio controller or with tripod high brightness. At number 6. KKmoon MJX G3 5.8 FPV Goggles. It is 100% MJX brand, easy to use, it has ergonomic design, comfortable for long-term wearing. The goggles work along with D43 receiver display. At number 5. Festnight MJX G3 5.8 FPV Goggles. The goggles work along with D43 receiver display. Suit for MJX Bugs 6 Bugs 8 brushless racing drone. You will have a wonderful immersive flying experience. At number 4. Bloomerang Fatshark Dominator HD 3-Core 3D FPV Goggles. It is Bloomerang Fatshark Dominator HD 3-Core 3D FPV Goggles with Hdmi DVR support head tracker. It has high quality and exquisite craftsmanship. At number 3. Flysight FPV Goggles. The headset functions how it's supposed to and feels great on the head. The battery lasts long enough for a day of flying. At number 2. Ultimaxx Waterproof Rugged Compact Storage Hard Case for DJI FPV VR Goggles. The Ultimaxx Waterproof Rugged Compact Storage Hard Case is tough and reliable all-weather protection for your DJI Mavic 2 Pro, Zoom drone, DJI goggles and essential accessories. At number 1. Eachine EV800D 5.8 G40CH Diversity FPV Goggles. It is Eachine EV800D FPV Goggles with DVR 5.8 G40CH 5-inch 800 by 480 Diversity Video Headset built-in battery.